Hello friends, my name is Georgi. Today I'm going to show you how to make a gradient border with Tailwind CSS. Let's get started. The example I picked to show you how to do this, it's the Instagram stories. As you can see, every Instagram stories has this nice gradient border. Let's go and try to build the same thing. Let's start by creating a container for our story. Let's add a class. Margin top 10 and flexbox. Let's now add a simple image. I'm gonna use Pixum and I'll say Pixum photos 200 by 200 pixels, and I'm gonna do it a little bit smaller with 32 and height 32. Now we have this image. Now we want to make it round, so we'll say rounded full. This will create a circle image. Now we want to add our gradient border to this image. In order to do this, we want to wrap the whole image into another div. And on this div, let's add a padding of 1. Now, on this div, we can add a background gradient, and let's add it to the top right. Let's add the gradient from amber, let's say 500 to fuchsia 700. Now, as you can see, we have a background around the circle image which looks like the gradients from the Instagram stories. Now, if we want to make it look like a border, we just need to round this as well. We'll say rounded full, and now we have the gradient border the same like Instagram. Another thing that Instagram they have this white border between the gradient border and the image. Let's add this as well. Class, padding 1, and let's add background white. And of course we need to do it rounded and full. Let's add a little bit margin to the left, and that's it. We're ready. Now we have a gradient border with Tailwind CSS. I will put the Tailwind play link into the description if you want to use some part of this. And thank you for watching. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to get notified when I post my next video. See you next time.